Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2021 Bowman Jumbo for Nicholas. As always, thank you, man. Was he a redemption? Well, let's hit a redemption for Nicholas here. All right, here we go. Hey Nicholas, do you want to see all the paper or just chrome? And I don't mind doing all the paper. Vaughn, Scooball, Brennan Davis, Bart rookie, Pearson. Skip the paper. Okay. Max Meyer, that is 105 of 150. Let's see, number 2, 3. I'll fan the paper because there is numbered stuff in the paper this year. And we're shipping all the paper anyway, so. Jose Salas, 55 of 100, atomic autograph. Shortstop for the Marlins, first Bowman. Shane Baz out of 299. Daniel Lynch, blue paper. Sam Huff out of 499. Welker out of 499.
So I'm guessing these are ones you've not had time to
Emerson Hancock, 374 of 499 refractor.
They may be able to go through if they're rookies and be put into different boxes up there, or who knows. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
6th overall, first round 2020.
I'm just trying to figure out the next step for these cards.
For the ones that Andy did, I have
Yeah.
no clue because I haven't really looked at any of them.
Yeah. And like Nick Bosa. Who's rated rookie? Okay.
Bo Naylor.
Joey Bosa. Where did I
Speaking of Blaze Jordan, there we go. For the Red Sox. Third baseman, first Bowman Chrome autograph. Pretty well centered, good autograph.
Well, this will be an interesting box.
Nice box, Nicholas. Let me know if you'd like any more.
Top loaded in price, it's just not separated.
Oh, so it just needs to be separated into.
Sport and like
Oh.
you could legitimately make. There's a box that we don't have out there yet. It's a Peyton Manning box.
Okay.
This is a great. I mean, like half of this is Peyton Manning.